Want to start a YouTube channel but don't want to show your face? You're not alone. Thousands of faceless creators are earning millions of views. In this video, I'll share my proven hacks for making viral, engaging videos without ever stepping in front of the camera. Forget fancy cameras or studios. The only thing that matters is making videos people want to watch all the way through. You can absolutely do that from behind the scenes. I'll break down the best niches, free tools, and my secret formula for fast content production. Ready to build your own faceless channel? Let's get started. Your voice, or an AI voice, is your channel's personality. You don't need to be on camera to connect. A good mic and energetic delivery are key. Keep sentences short and punchy. Every word should matter. If you hate your voice, use AI tools like 11 Labs or Murph.ai for natural-sounding narration. Consistency is crucial. Your audience should recognize your sound instantly. Audio quality is just as important as visuals. Clear, crisp voiceovers set you apart. Decide, will you be the energetic human guide or use flawless AI narration? The only mistake is bad audio. Nail your sound and you've built the foundation for a successful faceless channel. Let's move on to visuals. With your voiceover ready, you need visuals that pop. Stock footage and B-roll are your secret weapons. Sites like Pexels, Pixabay, and Unsplash offer millions of free, high-quality clips. Match footage to your topic. Finance, travel, tech. There's something for everything. The magic is in the editing. Keep clips short, switch visuals every few seconds, and add on-screen text for emphasis. Fast-paced B-roll plus kinetic text equals insane retention. If you have a budget, upgrade to Storyblocks or Envato Elements for premium footage. Always keep the screen moving, never static. Combine energetic visuals with your voiceover for a hypnotic effect. This is how you compete with the biggest creators. Next, let's talk about the easiest videos you can make. Screen recordings are the simplest way to create faceless content. Teach, review, or play games. Just record your screen and talk over it. Use free tools like OBS Studio or Loom to capture your screen in minutes. Be clear and concise. Guide viewers step by step. Use your mouse as a pointer and zoom in on key details. Gaming, tutorials, software reviews, all perfect for this method. You never have to show your face. The possibilities are endless. Let's find the best niches for your channel. Picking the right niche is crucial. Choose something with a big audience and perfect for faceless content. Gaming gameplay, top 10s, news, just footage and voiceover. Tech and tutorials, software reviews, coding, gadget explainers. Finance, investing, side hustles, crypto. Use stock footage and confident narration. Infotainment, facts, history, science, script, voiceover, and relevant visuals. Animation, whiteboard, or 2D cartoons to explain concepts. Relaxation, ambient music, nature sounds, looping visuals, AI-generated art and stories, a brand new, explosive niche. Pick one, and let's make your channel stand out. Now let's edit like a pro for free. You don't need expensive software. Free tools are all you need. DaVinci Resolve, pro-level editing, color grading, and effects. CapCut, perfect for quick, punchy edits on your phone. Canva, use templates for intros, outros, and overlays for a consistent look. Focus on fast cuts, clear text, and good sound. Don't get lost in fancy effects. A simple jump cut works wonders. Use templates to save time and keep your brand consistent. Find a workflow that's fast and repeatable. Now here's my secret to making videos 10x faster. The real hack? Repurpose and automate everything. Every long YouTube video is a goldmine for Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. Clip out the best moments, add captions, and multiply your content. Use AI tools like Descript or Opus Clip to automatically find and format viral clips. Descript lets you edit video by editing text, super fast. Opus Clip analyzes your video and spits out ready-to-post shorts. Build a system. Create one high-value video, then let AI chop and distribute it everywhere. This is how you post daily on multiple platforms while others struggle. Work smarter, not harder. This is how you win. That's my playbook for building a massive faceless YouTube channel. We covered voiceovers, free footage, editing tools, and my secret for multiplying content. The only thing stopping you is you. Start now. Pick a niche, make your first video, and don't wait for perfect. Your creativity and knowledge are what people want. The opportunity is massive. Go create something amazing. I'll be watching.